Well, I'm getting ready to take off my faithful slip streamer. This has been on for a couple years. See, I've had to epoxy it. You can see in the sun. When I took it through that whole Hurricane Irma or Ida, whoever was in Louisiana, had to leave my bike in Texas, but it fell. Got scratched. The only thing that happened was the windshield got messed up, and that's kind of bent right here. But anyway, these things, these universal ones, this is a slip streamer, and it works great. I'll show you the new one that I'm gonna put on, and I gotta clean my bike. But we'll put it on. Now, all these windshields. Let me see, hold on. All these windshields are the same. They have a clamp right here. They got a little stem, and you put your rod in here, and your rod comes up to your windshield. So this is a slip streamer. I like how thick this windshield is. This is good. I mean, it's almost 1/4 of an inch thick. It's a good windshield. It's pretty tough, and let's see what the new one is, and I'll tell you what the brand is and all that stuff. Here, let me tell you again that to take this off, I'm just backing this screw off. I'm not pulling the whole windshield out by putting that on. I'm taking the whole unit off by undoing the little Allen bolt there on the handlebars and just pull the whole thing off, and then I'll set the others on. See, it's got the holes in the windshield right here, the bare holes. So these are the two pieces you get. This is going to go on the outside of the windshield. You're going to slide the rod in. See if I could do this one-handed. There's the windshield rod. So this is going to go through. Goes through like this. Then the windshield goes on, and that goes through the hole in the windshield. I'll show it to you in just a sec. I forgot the little washers. One goes on the inside, one goes on the outside. Put those in, and then you're gonna have your piece with your rod through it right here. And that goes on like that. And then I'll show you how I'm gonna place it next. I have it all installed. This is the way I put it on because I want it forward a little bit. So the bars will be on the outside of the handlebar. Everything's loose. This, and even these. So I'm going to put them where I want them and then tighten them up. So I showed you on the other one, that was 1/4 of an inch thick. This thing's an 1/8, if you're happy. These things, I'll have to put more rubber or another rubber washer in there because I am getting a little flippage, but you know, I'll make it work. But overall, it was cheap. It was like 60 bucks. It looks good. It'll be all right. It's getting winter. He'll break the wind.